Tell me all about this product, because I have actually never seen anything like this. And a problem some customers have is that you have too long of a part to get out your lathe. So either your worker is grabbing it out the sub spindle, or it can't go down the parts catcher because it's too big. So what problem is this component solving?
As you've quite rightly pointed out, let's take the component that we're running here at the show. For instance, that component generally on most machines is too long to be caught in a conventional parts catcher,
Definitely.
thrown out the front. It poses problems for companies that are either on twin spindle or in some cases single spindle machines if it will allow. What this product does, think of a bar feed in reverse. So if you're bar feeding and you're making those lengths of components and you want to get that out, then this piece of equipment will enter into the sub spindle of the machine. It will grab the part, unload it and deposit it upon this magazine.
Okay.
You can see that there's 3 different layers here. So the machine will know when that is full. It will then index over and load more, index over and load more. It's another way of fully automating spindles of machines. We've installed some here in the UK and they're proving very, very successful for our customers.
I've never seen anything like it, and I've always wondered when I used to go to customers, and when I do go to customers now, how are they going to get that big part out of their machine? Are there any specifications to this machine that you can change? So any additional features or any different trays or anything like that?
There are different features to it. For instance, once you've chosen the bar diameter, there is a series of V blocks over here that will index around to be in the correct position appropriate to the diameter you're unloading. The maximum length that we would recommend on a standard piece of equipment is 1.5 meters long.
Okay.
It has a stroke of 1.5 meters. Pretty much, we're trying to keep it as simple as possible. We've highlighted where the biggest issues are with customers, and it helps automate. Otherwise, as you quite rightly say, the labor intensity on getting what is relatively a simple part out of a machine means putting an operator in front of it. And the return on investment on something like this is within months.
Oh my goodness, as well. And the simplicity of it is just fantastic. Let's talk about the diameter of the part. If you're changing from one part to another, say this is 30 mil diameter and you're going up to 70 mil diameter, how do you change over everything to make sure it runs? Is it just as easy as programming?
It's as easy as the X-Files.
Okay.
It's just choosing that diameter and the length of the part.
Okay.
When we install it with an absolute datum on the back of the machine, so the unloading rod knows exactly where it is, so therefore it knows how far it has to travel.
Yeah.
You give it the part component length through the control and the diameter. You simply change the collet to grab it. The collet is simply a push on and pull off pin.
Yeah.
With the bore of the component there, and press go.
Brilliant.
And it's interfaced in the same way as a bar feed. So all we would need would be a bar feed interface on the sub spindle of the machine.
So it's music to my ears, Martyn. It's just making everything easier. We're deleting problems that people have. So basically, it's unmanned running, isn't it?
Absolutely, yes.
And this is what people are looking for, making sure that machine is not down.
Absolutely,
because having your machine going down means you're not making money, and obviously everybody wants to do that.